Welcome back to another episode of Generational Investors. I am your host, Coach Flo. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone is taking care of themselves because remember, health is wealth. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, also like and share this channel with someone and keep spreading the message. Okay, today we'll be looking at value stock that I'm very bullish on, that I've been investing in since 2020 and looking to continue to invest on the long haul. Okay, very known companies that you might be familiar with. Okay, so remember, this is not financial advice to buy, hold, or sell. Okay, so today we are looking at Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. Okay, so Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Apple, just a little backstory by Apple or history by Apple. Apple was discovered, went public in 1980. Okay, 1980, Apple went public on the market. From there, it did a stock split in 1987, 2-for-1 at the price of $79. Moving forward, 2000, they did another stock split, which 101.25. 2001, the iPod was released. 2003, iTunes. 2007, iPhone, the first one came out. 2010, iPad. In 2020, they did a all-time high, 182.94. Okay, so Apple, you name it, Apple have it. From the watches, TVs, iPads, AirPods, Apple Watch, and in the works, actually working on getting an Apple car. So Apple is a $1 trillion company that I'm continue to invest in continuously over the long haul. Very bullish on Apple. Okay, so very bullish on Apple. Next stock we're gonna look at is Google. Okay, Google has, just to name a few things that Google is affiliated and has ownership under. Of course, Google, the search engine, Google Play, YouTube, just to name a few. Okay, so Google, another stock, value stock that I'm very bullish on. Continue to dollar cost average and again Google, because Google is not going anywhere. Google is definitely is here to stay, and I'm pretty sure they're continue to invest in different concepts and ideas that hasn't came to fruition, but will be. Okay, especially with this AI, artificial intelligence going on. Okay. Speaking of AI, the next stock, Microsoft. Very big on Microsoft. Not only that, with the whole ChatGPT, I'm just bullish on Microsoft in general because Microsoft have the different types of technology innovation that continue to transcend the consumers, continue to bring new ideas, fresh ideas to consumers that will continue to change our lives as we speak. Okay, because technology is forever changing. So I'm very bullish on Microsoft. Also, for my last video, speaking of dividends, Apple, Microsoft is one of the two of the dividend paying stocks that pay quarterly. So not only that you get a advantage and have the luxury of owning a big company, but also you get the perk of getting a dividend payout. Now it might not pay a big payout such as the other stocks we talked about in my last video. Talked about ticker symbol O and JEPI, but we know that Apple and Microsoft is here to stay. They're not going to fall under. They've been around for way too long, and they have so much money invested into these companies that they are not going to fall. Okay, so that's why I'm so very bullish on those companies. Okay, and the last company, I'm pretty sure everyone can identify with this one, but Amazon. Amazon, to think where Amazon was 10, 15, 20 years ago and how it has grown in such a short time frame, but it's going to continue to transcend because Amazon is going to just come up with so many different ways to change the world. We know that Amazon is pretty much just worldwide. If you look at every time you turn around on freeways, when it comes to delivering Amazon Prime, it's not going anywhere. And to get something, to order something, and if you need it the next day, it's there on your doorstep. So Amazon, I'm very bullish on Amazon long term. To see where it's going to go, it's just mind blowing that I see trucks all in the neighborhood. I see warehouses on every interstate, every city. Amazon is here to stay. So I am very bullish on all four: Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon. Okay, and I'm going to drop a description, a link of the two particular platforms or brokerage that I'm using: Fidelity and Moomoo. Okay, Fidelity and Moomoo. What I like about both, especially Fidelity, it's a one-stop shop. So whatever you need, Fidelity has great customer service. It has all the different things from custodial accounts. So if you have any kids, if you have any nieces and nephews, if you have retirement, everything Fidelity has. I love Moomoo as well. Moomoo is also 24/7 customer service. So I'm going to drop both two in the link below so where you can get started. Like I said in my first video, I continue to preach, you don't have to have a lot of money to start investing. You can start today as little as $5 and do fractional shares. So you don't have to have thousands of dollars just to start investing. Just start today and just continue to do it over time. Do it over time. Every time you get paid, just set aside a percentage and just put the money in the brokerage and just buy fractional shares. And before you know it, you're going to have one share of whatever company that you desire to purchase. So I'm very excited to see where the future holds. And as this channel continues to get the message out, continue to like and share. I appreciate everyone. Continue to go after your dreams. Continue to just be great. Continue to be positive. That's it. Just continue to be positive regardless of what's going on. Continue to be positive. Stay focused because all things are possible. Okay. All you have to do is just believe. Okay. Not everyone gonna believe in your vision, but all it takes is one person to get on the same like-minded as yourself and no stop you. Okay. So I would like to thank the time. Thank you guys. Take care. See you on the next one.